guys, we're at Shelford Station, over crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe and Lincolnshire Railways. Oh, damn it. You can, I'm going to go I'm staying over here. I'm going to go on the platform. Time is 14:42, Monday the 30th of May 2016. This is for our 14:44 to Hotel 32 at Belgrade Anglia, so it's London Liverpool Street to Cambridge. This is mine and Lincolnshire Railways train back to Cambridge.
You know, I don't really care if you call me Lucas. Saying Lincolnshire Railways.
Yeah, that's cool because it's your YouTube name. More people will find you, won't they?
Fair point.
So look for Lucas, I won't find anything.
I'll change it.
Who's that?
You should all know by now.
Oh yeah, don't mention it. I don't think he realises that the fact when he comments on my videos, I can't see him, so he's just commenting for the sake of it.
I know. If you just block him, you can't see.
I have blocked him.
You can't see his comments.
I can't see his comments.
Basically, he's talking to himself, really.
Yeah. No one can see his comments. I blocked him on YouTube. I blocked his comments. No one can see him.
So in theory,
he's put comments on my announcement videos and my intro at Hawkster, and I can't see what they say because it's blocked.
He's only jealous that you're allowed to come out here and explore the roads of Norfolk.
They'll be even more jealous after the trip I'm going on tomorrow.
I know. Yet there's him sat at home doing absolutely nothing because he can't afford it.
Look at this.
And Andrew, if you're listening right now, I don't really care if you're gonna say, "Oh, I can afford better things than you." You really can't. You're just some scummy lowlife who lives in bloody Lincoln in a fucking council house.
Lol. Through 379018. Wow.
Lovely sound.
I do. 379018 to 379. Don't stop in the middle of the crossing. 379 001. That's back from Liverpool Street already, and we'll go to the crossing, and we'll see you back at Cambridge.